In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an eBay receipt as a PDF. If you need a digital copy of a past purchase for your records, expense tracking, or returns documentation, eBay makes it fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along and save the receipt in just a few minutes. To begin, open your web browser and go to ebay.com. Once the site loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the same account that was used to place the order, otherwise the purchase won't appear in your history. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next part. At the top right corner of the page, click on My eBay. A menu will appear, and from there, select Purchase History. This section shows the orders connected to your account, and it's where you can review previous purchases, shipment details, and order information. Once you're in Purchase History, look for the drop-down menu labeled See Orders From. Click it and choose the year that matches the order you're trying to find. This is especially helpful if the purchase was made a while ago, since it narrows down the list and makes it easier to locate the correct item. After selecting the right year, scroll through your orders until you find the item you need. When you've located it, click View Order Details. This will open a page with more complete information about that purchase, including the item, order, total, and other transaction details. On the Order Details page, look for the option called Printer Friendly Page and click it. This opens a cleaner version of the receipt that's better suited for printing or saving. Once that page appears, use your keyboard shortcut to open the print menu. On Windows, press Ctrl and P. On a Mac, press Command and P. Well, when the print window opens, choose the option to save the file as a PDF instead of printing it on paper. Select where you want the file to be stored on your device, give it a clear name if needed, and then save it. That's it. You've successfully created a PDF copy of your eBay receipt. For easier access later, it's a good idea to save it in a folder where you keep invoices, purchase records, or tax documents.